professional, and they also appreciate your work. They have great work ethics. Unko, they do not call you or irritate you in the weekends where some unprofessional people will call you around 1 a.m. in the Saturday night when you are probably with your friends hanging out. So normally यही मेथड मैंने कुछ मेथड्स यूज किए हैं जिसको कि यूज करके आई हैव गॉट a lot of clients. Those are paying me well, and normally, right now, I'm working with clients from 5 to 6 countries around the world, which who are paying me around 1,000 to 1,200, maybe $1,500 per month as a retainer for different kind of services. Normally, I help them generating sales revenue and leads using copywriting, conversion rate optimization, then Facebook ads, then Google ads, then funnel building and all. And I will today share all those secrets or all those techniques that I use to get those clients, because a lot of people that are starting right now, maybe they are starting a digital agency, or maybe they are starting some freelance career. They are sending me messages that how are you getting these clients? How can we get these type of clients? What should we do? What are the secrets? So I will go ahead. So can I share my screen?
This is what people are waiting for actually, सब वेट कर रहे थे कि कब
Okay, okay, okay.
होगा.
It is telling me that it is disabled
No,
by,
you are a co-host, yeah.
yeah, but it is telling me that it is
Okay,
disabled.
try now.
Yeah, great. So can you guys see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. So the first point I would touch here is uh, the very wrong approach that I was doing in my early days is playing the one man army role. So whenever you start a digital agency or maybe freelance career, you try to do everything on your own. So that is probably the most wrong approach, and maybe you will be occupied all the time providing services or talking to our clients or replying to their messages. So in that way, your agency or your business will never ever grow. It will look like this. As you can see, sometimes it will go up and again it will move in a flat sequence. So the best and the most balanced model that I have created is you have to give 60% of your time to client satisfaction, which means serving them, what kind of services, whatever services you are providing, your team. You should satisfy your client with 60% of your time, and the rest 40% should be focus on getting new clients, or you can tell that client acquisition is the fuel of your agency, or it will help you to generate revenue. So when you work in a balanced model, the graphs will look like this, and this will go upwards. It will not go flat, just like you were or I was doing in the earlier time. It was a one man army business. I was doing the client sourcing. I was getting them on the call. I was doing the proposal. I was designing the graphics. I was writing everything. I was writing the content. So it was quite time consuming. And I think I couldn't get any client because of that. So, first of all, you have to change that mentality. Many freelancers are telling me that I am a freelancer. How do I give a lot of time to client acquisition? See, there is no rule that you cannot outsource it. There are a lot of countries that are doing the same work for $2 to $3 per hour. You can, as example, Bangladesh or Pakistan or Philippines. So you can totally outsource it. You can totally record everything you do to acquire a client. Then you can send it to them and tell them that use my email or use all of my social media profiles. Just do what I'm doing. Okay. So in that case, freelancers can also leverage this model. So the scalable agency, what I call a scalable agency or a freelance business is, First, as I told you, avoid doing everything alone. Try to hire a team or try to outsource some of your work. Okay. Freelancers can hire a team too. uh, Client sourcing is a full-time work. Like a lot of people think that आज मैं 2 घंटा बैठ जाता हूँ, I will do some sales calls, then tomorrow I will do that, tomorrow I will do my writing stuff and all. But sorry, client sourcing is a full-time work. If you're gonna focus on sourcing client, just outsource all the client satisfaction work to another team. Or if you are willing to work, like if you are willing to work on graphics or willing to work on copywriting or something, simply outsource the client sourcing part to another virtual assistant. Okay. So again, think less like a 9 to 5 guy, more like a business owner. And always remember that money is going to flow from top to the bottom. So if you are feeling lost, you can go take help of mentors. And again, 40% manpower on client sourcing and 60% on delivering services. Why? Because let's assume you got a client that is going to pay you $2,000 to do a particular job, but once again, you do not have the right people to deliver that service. That client will leave you in maybe 1 or 2 months. So basically, 60% time on service delivery and 40% time on manpower, 40% manpower on client sourcing. So I will now jump into the part where I will show you guys how I source the clients. The weapon of war, it is called Calendly. This is the only tool I use to get my clients. So it is a free tool. It also has paid version. You can simply go to calendly.com. A lot of people who are already working in digital agencies might be knowing this. So ये Calendly है. So simply you can go here and create an event. So here I have 3 events. You can create event as per your choice or as per your need. Here is the 15 to 30 minutes chit chat that I have created. Normally, when I get a green signal from a client that he or she is interested, I send them the link to my calendar. Okay. So here is the link. You can simply send them this link. So whenever they will click on this link, they will land on your calendar, and it is quite easier for them to book a call. Let's say it is showing Friday, 30th April. My calendar is free. So your client will click here, then they will book a slot for them. So this is the first thing that you have to set up to do all the work that I will show you. Now, these are the three methods that I use. One is the cold
Uh,
outreach.
Shatrajit,
Yeah,
just give me one moment. The thing I want to tell about Calendly is, it's again a persuasion skill actually. That when you ask other people to choose their own time, they're more likely to come instead
yeah,
of
yes.
let's come at this point and does something like this work for you. So give them the choice of date and time. There's more
Yeah,
likely. This is something I've learned from doctors again. They ask me कि next तुम खुद निको कब आओगे? I won't tell you. So, kind of thing.
right. So when the customer will see this, he will be like, yeah, 1 p.m. works for me, and it is also working for this particular person. So he will just confirm the call. And again, the great thing about this tool is you can just add a lot of things so that you can pre-qualify the leads. You can ask name, emails, mobile number. Now monthly budget. See, normally I don't go below this part. $1,000 के नीचे I do not take clients. So I just tell them कि what kind of budget you are having. So in case they choose their budget, it makes me clear that हाँ इनका क्या budget है, so that I will talk regarding those services or what kind of services I'm going to pitch. Business type, everything you can pre-qualify over here. So first thing is you have to set this up. ये बहुत ही अच्छा tool है and it will help you get a lot of clients. Next is these are the three types of outreaches that I do. The number one is cold outreach. It is basically for those who are starting their business. Like if you are just starting out as a freelancer or an agency owner, if you do not have any budget in your pocket. So you are like, I do not have money. How do I get clients? I don't have money for ads. I do not have money for funnels. So this particular outreach will work for you without even spending a single rupee on it. Okay. Then we have a one warm outreach, which is second one. Warm outreach is something where people are already looking for you, and you are just going in front of them and telling them that, hey, you are looking for these services, and I'm here. I do this work since maybe 5 or 6 years, and I do have a decent portfolio. Can we talk about it? So that's it. And again, third one is hot leads. This is something people are really looking for. People like you, maybe you are doing copywriting or maybe you are doing video editing. People who are searching for video editors will call you, not you who will be the person that will go ahead and call them. They will call you or they will message you. This is what I call hot leads. Normally it is inbound. So if you have around 4 or 5 prospects that are inbound, 50% of that might close very easily because they came to you, you didn't go to them. So these are all the methods that I have with me. So now I will go ahead and tell you something about the organic methods. So first is Upwork organic warm email outreach. So this is something that I will also go ahead and show you guys. This particular method helped me secure a client from Czech Republic. Right now they are paying me around 1.2 lakhs every month, and they have been working with me since around 15 to 16 months. So this is something you do over Upwork. Normally, people think that Upwork is a place where people just go post jobs and again they go and do some biddings, and it is all crazy because there is a lot of competition. But there is nothing like that. There are a lot of hacks that you can use to get your next client using this type of outreach. So first of all, I will show you some results that I got from this particular outreach. As you can see, I have hidden the name of the client for his privacy. Regarding the subject line is regarding Upwork post. It is an email that I had sent to the client. You can see regarding your Upwork post. Okay, here you can see I have written, hi there. I just noticed that you need some help with social media management of your company XYZ. I have worked on several social media pages, and right now I have a lot of experience and a good portfolio. I'm attaching a PDF with all the recent social media posts that I have designed for different industries. Please go through and let me know what you think. Okay, so यहाँ पे I have already attached my portfolio. You can see I have attached link go on my calendar. So go on my calendar is nothing but this one, जहां पर आपको क्लाइंट को लगेगा कि प्रोस्पेक्ट को लगेगा कि ये सही लग रहा है मुझे इसका पोर्टफोलियो. दे कैन इजीली क्लिक हियर एंड लैंड हियर एंड दे कैन बुक अ कॉल. एवरी सिंगल ईमेल दैट आई सेंट टू माय प्रोस्पेक्ट्स, उधर मेरा लिंक्डइन का लिंक रहता है. Then go to my profile. Then again website. If possible, you can add website. Website अगर नहीं भी है तो it will work. Uh, because see, clients abroad they do not bother about website. अगर आपका LinkedIn सही है, आपका कुछ endorsement है LinkedIn में, and you have a link to your calendar, that is okay with them. Okay. So this is how I do the signature setup. उसके बाद the reply I got from them was really amazing. They were quite happy with the work I did. They were happy with my portfolio. And आप इधर देख सकते हैं, I have pitched them around 1100 US dollars, and they got agreed with that. Since then, I'm working with them. So it all happened because of one single email. And I don't think this client is going away from me because मैंने ये पूरा automate कर दिया. I have kept a separate team to take care of this client. So he is totally satisfied with the work, and I don't think he's going away from me. So right now I will go ahead and show you how I did this. First of all, you have to go to Upwork. Uh,
Juice.
you you have to create an account. Not necessarily कि वो account 100% approved हो या 100% complete हो, because it takes a lot of time to गेट अप्रूवल ऑन अपवर्क, उसका भी मैं बहुत सारा हैक से बता दूंगा. Now on the right you can see 6 active candidacies here. मेरा 6 इंटरव्यू ऑलरेडी चल रहा है with 6 clients. Submitted proposals 36 and available connects 128. So normally people what they think is Upwork में connects खरीदना पड़ता है और we spend a lot of time and money on Upwork but nothing happens. If you go and try to buy connects, आपका paid plan $15 का है, and again if you buy something it will cost you around $11 72 connects के लिए. और वो 72 जो connects रहता है it will work for 4 or 5 proposals maximum, क्योंकि एक एक proposal में 6 और 8 connect चला जाता है. So I will go back to the dashboard. You just have to create the account. Do not go to this feed or left or right or anywhere. Simply click on advanced search.
This is
Simply click on advanced search. Can you guys see this?
yeah, we all can see. This is the most important thing.
Yeah, this is the most important part. This was the exact keyword that made me around 15 to 20 lakhs. सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट स्पेस देके आपको लिखना AND. ओके, वो भी कैपिटल में. when you put AND, Upwork will take it as its own secret code. जब भी आप AND देते हैं वो ऐड करता है. जैसे गूगल में you put let's say you put social media management plus www, वैसे यहाँ पर आपको AND लिखना पड़ता है. just click on that.
Basically,
All of
whatever
these.
is your keyword and www, right? So if I want to do copywriting, so I will write copywriting and www.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's say you are doing copywriting, you will put your keyword space AND space www dot और कुछ नहीं.
www is Prateek. You know, it's something which Pradeep is going to cover. You will know in a bit. Just hang
Yeah,
on.
yeah. I will go to that one. So what I did was I had a team with me who is doing social media management. So I was in hurry like कहीं से कोई भी client मिल जाए, because I was out of client. So I went to I tried this method, social media management and www dot. So I did the search. It is basically an advanced search of Upwork. So once you do that type of search, what you will see is there are a lot of projects, around 697 projects, where people have mentioned their website. So normally I will click on this. You can see social media manager and strategy. They are basically looking for social media manager and strategy. अभी एक pro tip आपको देता हूँ. Do not apply on all these jobs. राइट साइड में आके थोड़ा देखिए कि क्लाइंट किधर से है, वेदर या फ्रॉम इंडिया और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. नॉर्मली आई स्किप इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, पाकिस्तान, फिलीपींस. ओके, सो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का क्लाइंट है. ओके, so they have already posted 47 jobs and their higher rate is around 70%. So इसका मतलब है कि whenever this guy uh, puts around 10 jobs, he hires around 7 people. तो यहाँ पे आपका जो होता है क्या, मतलब क्लाइंट को क्लोज करने का कैपेसिटी वो बढ़ जाता है. If there is someone who is having only 10% or 5% higher rate, do not apply or do not send them any emails, because ऐसे बहुत लोग होते हैं, they just put a post on Upwork, then they forget about it. Okay,
No,
so
no,
again,
they don't forget about it. Sometimes they just want to understand, you know, what it takes. लोग कैसे apply कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है उसमें.
हाँ, normally some people also go ahead and see कि कितना क्या pricing चल रहा है, how much people are charging and all. Sometimes some agencies also post to outsource their work. So again, you can see these people have spent around $9,000. Okay, again, another thing which I check is their review. Okay, you can see all these reviews freelancers have given them. Just click on view more, you will see more reviews. So if I see some horrible reviews, like a freelancer says that this particular client is not good, you shouldn't work with them, I just skip that. Okay, so यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, आपको quality client मिल गया, those who are high paying, and again their higher rate is quite higher, so that यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, आपको possibility बढ़ गया to get a client. Okay, so again, जैसे कि we have typed social media management space www dot, you got their link. One is they have given their Instagram link, and again their website. Just simply open their website and Instagram link. Okay, so they have this company that is maybe selling something related to hair, yeah, organic hair product, beauty, cosmetic, and personal care. So you can just go ahead and check few things on their Instagram, like since when they are posting, what kind of posts they are doing, and whether you can do something better for them or something like that. Then again आपको उसका ये भी पढ़ना है कि what they are trying to achieve from this post. I'm looking for a social media manager that can help with creating a strategy. I have a strategy in my mind, but two brains are better than one. I'm looking for someone that is extremely organized, must be willing to Zoom chat at least 2-3 times a week. Meetings will be less frequent as we start, and whatever it is, you have to completely understand the requirement. So once you have their website, now again I said this is organic method. You do not have to spend a single rupee on this. Just try to get their email. So there are a lot of tool out there to get the
हाँ
email
सर,
that is
ताकि देखिए डेली जो जो कमाने वाला है क्या खाएगा, नहीं खा जाएगा।
Yeah, so basically, there are few tools that you can use to get the particular email that has been attached to this particular website. So Hunter करके एक tool है, you can also use it. Now it is telling me that no emails found. Again, there is another tool I use which is called Find That Lead. Now Find That Lead also told me that there is no email associated with this particular domain. So what I will do is I will click on contact. Now, if you contact, you have their phone number, WhatsApp, Telegram, and again their email. Simply copy the email address, and here they also have a lead form. Now I have their email address. Here also on Instagram, sometimes people give their email. So we already have their email. So what I will do is I will send them an email. Subject. So the very important part is the subject. Now what I will tell them is, so this is what they are trying to get done on Upwork. So I will just tell them that this is about your Upwork post, or you can also write something like regarding your Upwork post. Okay. Again, there is another hack I'm going to show you. You can find the name of this particular person that has posted this job. Simply go to the review part and see what kind of reviews people have written. Uh, you can see the name is Daniel. Daniel was a great client, so मुझे इसका नाम मिल गया. I will just copy it.
Very, very important because it can personalize now, yeah, everything.
Perfect. अभी इधर जो सबमिट प्रपोजल करेगा दे डू नॉट नो इवन हिज नेम. तो ये एक प्रो टिप है. यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली टेक हिज नेम एंड ऐड इट. ओके. तो यहाँ आपका ईमेल भी पर्सनलाइज हो गया. हाय डैनियल, आई जस्ट केम across your necessity of a social media manager. कैलेंडली तो हर किसी, सॉरी ग्रामरली तो हर किसी के पास होगा. जस्ट यूज इट, डू नॉट डू एनी टाइपोस. So I just came across your necessity for a social media manager. So यहाँ पर what I'm trying to tell is you are the one that is looking for a social media manager. Okay. So this is kind of a warm outreach because already the customer is looking for this service. You are not sending out a cold email. So then you can say, "Hmm, this is something I have been doing since 2015 with a decent portfolio. I can help you create a nice strategy that can increase your visibility and engagement on all the social media platforms. Perfect. Then once you tell you prospect that I know your name, I know that you are looking for me. Now that I am providing this service and I do have a decent portfolio, uh, why not jump on a call on Zoom? Do not tell them to buy on the spot or the first or in the first email. Just tell them that let's have a conversation, let's meet, let's do some chit chat. Okay. So what I will do now is, if you are free next week, or like you can write this week or the next, can we have a 15 minutes conversation? That's it. If yes, click on the link below and book a 15-minute chit chat with me. Again, अगर आपको लगता है कि you should you should add the link here, then you can add it, but already मैंने यहाँ get on my calendar कर दिया है, तो they know that if they click here they will be landing on my calendar. Or else what you can do is simply यहाँ से जो link है उसको copy कर दीजिए, ये जो link below है इसको यहाँ पर embed कर. Okay. So यहाँ पर you are not selling anything on the first email. You are just telling, okay, let's have a chat. Let's talk to each other about whatever I'm providing and how I can help you. And again, if you have a nice portfolio with you, just attach the portfolio. So what I will do is, social media portfolio 2021. I will attach it. And yeah, do not send files that is saying like unnamed 120560. ऐसा करके file, do not send it because it's quite unprofessional. Always send things like social media portfolio 2021. So it will make clear sense that you have all your social media work in one file which they can simply download and check. Again, यहाँ पर you can mention with a decent portfolio which is attached to this email. Perfect. So यहाँ पर you told the client कि I have the portfolio attached here, I have the link attached here. So if you have 15 minutes, let's chat. बस इतना ही करना है, then send it. Then just click on send. That's it. I will just send it out. Again, you have to track whether the email is being seen, or maybe your prospect is opening it again and again, but he is not replying you. So you have to put email tracker for that. I'm using this email tracker by Snovio. It is totally free. You guys can just install this Chrome extension and it will help you check whether your client has opened the email or not. I will just go ahead and show you that. When I go to my sent box, you can see how many people are opening my email and how many people have clicked on it. See, opens and clicks. Clicks क्या होता है? The clicks they are doing on your calendar link. So yesterday I booked a call with a company. So they clicked on that link multiple times. That's why it is showing me clicks. So it is easier for you to track that whether the client is opening the email or not. और अगर आपको लगता है कि they are opening the email maybe 14, 15 times but not replying you, simply go ahead and give them a reminder like, uh, is there any issue or why they are not replying to you. There are also many follow-up sequence I have which I use. See, here is a follow-up sequence. uh, See, this was the mail I did on 13th April. Now I'm telling the prospect that just making sure if you received my previous email, are you still looking for someone to help with social media and social media graphics? If yes, then again they will reply. So this is how the follow-up sequence works. Normally using this method, I have got a lot of clients and it really works because see, maybe some clients do not might not open Upwork every day, but everyone opens their email at least once or twice a day. So without fighting with other uh, proposals, like around 20 to 50 proposals have been made, you can directly reach their inbox. So this was the hack that I used in the Upwork warm outreach. So, as I already told you guys, this helped me a lot in getting a lot of clients, small, big, all type of clients. All our maximums are international clients, so it will work for you the way uh, I just I just described. So, if you guys have some issues with writing emails, you can also go and learn about how to write an email or how to do copywriting and all. It will really help you to close those deals because see, mails like this will not work. I have started two emails. I got this email maybe today. See, hi, this is Lily. I'm a blogger. I want to build links. Now she's telling me that I have DA 91, 58, and 54 links with me. If you want a link, just reply to me. So I do not know who she is, why she is sending me such email, but it is a direct sales pitch. So I will just avoid that email. So do not do things like this. Just do how I mentioned in this particular Upwork warm outreach.
मैं तो लिली नाम से रिप्लाई कर देता लेकिन just kidding.
Again, the next one that I'm going to show you guys is this quite interesting actually. Mm, LinkedIn. LinkedIn warm outreach, I will show you guys. This also works like a charm if you use it properly. Again, there are few tools for that. Calendly तो आपका weapon है जैसे मैंने बोला. You have to use it all the time. किसी को कभी भी बोलना नहीं कि just buy. Always tell them to book a call. Let's talk to each other. Like maybe in 2015, 2016 era जब उतना competition नहीं था, या फिर maybe 2010, people or clients were like, this is your portfolio, you have done this, so go ahead and do this work. A lot of freelancers used to get work like that, but right now, if somebody is not seeing your face, not talking to you over a call, they will not give you good quality projects. So simply tell them to book a call. Next is LinkedIn warm outreach. I will show you guys. It can be LinkedIn email or it can be LinkedIn inbox. So first of all, let's go to LinkedIn. Okay, so what you have to do is, first of all, you have to optimize your profile. You can see here is my profile, a clear headshot image, then my copywriting skills and Facebook ad skills is equal to your business on Rocketflix. So the call to action over here is book a discovery call. So you have to tell your audience or whoever you are approaching that this is what I do. Then before doing any type of outreach on this platform, simply get few endorsements and recommendations. थोड़ा बहुत endorsement और recommendation अगर होता है तो it will add value to your profile and again people will trust you. So I will go ahead and किसी को अगर कोई मतलब किसी का दूसरा सर्च करते हैं, लेट्स सर्च अबाउट सम अदर सर्विसेज, किसी का सर्विसेज का नाम बोलो, आई विल सर्च फॉर दैट. यस यस, मनी इज इन द फॉलो. किसी को कुछ सर्च करना है या प्रोमो वीडियोस?
Promo videos.
प्रोमो वीडियोस, ओके. मतलब वो क्या होता है, 3D 2D एनिमेशन?
Copywriting.
Okay, Facebook ads copywriting. Okay, okay. Mm, let's say video editor. Now you can see यहाँ पर jobs, remote, Mumbai, बहुत सारा कुछ आता है. Do not do anything, just put recommendation and hit enter. So once you hit enter, आपको किसी के साथ connect नहीं कर रहा है. Normally people find business owners and try to connect with them. Simply आपको posts पे click करना है. Yeah, video editor recommendations. So जैसे ही आप post पे click कर देंगे, you can see around 584 results. So जिसने भी अपना post publicly किया है, like they have done their posts as a public post, it will be visible over here. Now, now you can see this post. कहाँ का client है? I will check. Can anyone recommend me a freelancer video editor with availability in next 2 weeks? Simply check their profile from where they are. They are from United Kingdom. Okay. So again, a big mistake people do is they try to message them. See, यहाँ पर clear एक ताला लगा हुआ है. Do not do it or do not send them any connection request. Okay. So they have done some privacy restrictions. Do not do any messages or connect with them. There are few other ways. There is a tool called Lusha, and then there is we have find that lead. Okay. Yeah, see, Lusha is the tool. You guys can simply add it to your Chrome extension, and we have find that lead. Simply मैं find that lead पे click करूंगा and I will see whether I can find her email address. See, I have already the email address with me. Again, उनका phone number भी मुझे मिल गया है. I will just click to copy. Okay. As you can see, she posted about this 1 week ago. हो सकता है अभी ये फिलअप हो सकता है ये पोजीशन कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है. पर जितना जितना कम दिन होगा it will be more effective. It is 6 day old. So you have to frequently be searching about all this. Like if you are doing video editing, आपको ये frequently search करना पड़ेगा कि कोई video editing का job आ रहा है. Again, let's go for copywriting. Okay, see 672 results जो कि already publicly they have posted. Now this person is a copywriter. See, uh, can any of my contacts recommend an amazing copywriter with experience in luxury? Okay, so basically, he is the director of a company and he is looking for a copywriter. So either as a copywriter, your duty is to find his contact and approach him that you had posted on LinkedIn about a copywriting job. I'm here free to take all new gigs. So simply try to find their email. Okay, view full profile. ये अगर आप उनके फुल प्रोफाइल में नहीं जाएंगे इट विल शो यू unnecessary emails. So simply go to full profile and again search for the email. ये hunter से भी होता है. This is another tool called hunter and lusha. uh, all those tools can help you with this one. See, already you have few emails from their company and the number. Okay, अगर you can talk over the phone, you can do a cold call, but I would say go for an email with your copywriting projects or all the links you have. Just click on verify. अगर ये green show कर रहा है, it is a verified email. Just click on it. Then you have their email. Then go to your mail. Again आपको मिल गया उनका email. Now you can put your subject line like uh, about your LinkedIn post for copywriter. तो यहाँ क्या होता है कि this is something uh, this is something really warm. because your prospect has already posted about it few days back. Simply यहाँ पर आपको वही mention करना है कि hi, I just saw your post on LinkedIn. I came to know that you are looking for a copywriter. I also have copywriting experience with the niche you mentioned. So these are the work samples I have. आपका link दे दो work sample का. Then just tell them to book a call with you. That's it. और कुछ नहीं. They will tell you कि when they are free, whether this week or the next. Then again, you will get the client. Okay, so this is how the Upwork warm method works. It works for everything, every freelance service, videographer, copywriter. You can say Facebook ads. किसी ने बोला था. I will search for that. Facebook ads.
Satyajit, in between, there are some questions like, is find that lead free?
Yeah, I will go ahead and answer that. See, हर कोई टूल का एक you can say trial period होता है जिसमें कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत मिलता है. Okay, तो find that lead was something I purchased from AppSumo. ये मुझे लाइफ टाइम डील मिल गया था. आई डोंट नो अभी वो मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है, बट द पर्टिकुलर प्लान आई हैव इट इज फॉर लाइफ टाइम एंड दे आर गिविंग मी अराउंड 1999 कनेक्ट्स और 1999 क्रेडिट्स ईच मंथ. और अभी उनका क्या चल रहा है, लेट मी सी. ये बहुत ही नेसेसरी टूल है एक्चुअली. फाइंड दैट लीड, इट विल हेल्प यू extract email from any website, any LinkedIn profile, any Instagram profile. Okay, B2B lead generation tool. Yeah, there is a free trial, but I will show you the price. Okay, now see, they are charging around $49 per month. So this was a tool which I started using when they launched. So तभी उनका एक offer आ गया था lifetime deal वाला. I purchased that and it is working with me since then, and it is an amazing tool. एंड अगर अगर ये अभी आपसे नहीं हो पाता है, जस्ट गो फॉर हंटर. हंटर का आपको 50 क्रेडिट फ्री में मिलता है. सी, अभी शायद उन्होंने 25 कर दिया, ये 50 था. अगेन अगर आप अपग्रेड करेंगे, हंटर का एक बहुत छोटा छोटा प्राइस है शायद. या सी, कोटा इसमें है 25 सर्चेस एंड 50 वेरिफिकेशंस. अगेन या दे हैव आल्सो डन 49 पर मंथ. पर स्टार्टिंग में आपको 25-30 ईमेल इसमें हो जाएगा. अगेन इसमें कुछ वेरीफायर भी है, फाइंडर भी है. दे आल्सो प्रोवाइड यू लीड फाइंडर. आप किसी का भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं लीड, नाम और ईमेल या फिर कंपनी का .com डाल के, वट एवर ईमेल आईडीज दैट आर एसोसिएटेड विद देयर डोमेन, इट विल शो यू. सो यू कैन ईदर यूज दिस वन or you can also use find that lead. Both works for me. And Lasha भी free है शायद कुछ emails के लिए. तो अगर आप मिला के तीन को यूज करते हैं तो you can easily target around 100 emails. Yeah, yeah. This is also an extension. You can try it for free. देखिए similar tool है. Just check and get their email. जैसे कि मैंने अभी किया. Simply go to that profile and click on Lasha, then it will show you that email. These are the three tools I normally use to get those emails. So ये था LinkedIn का.
And I'll just add few things. थोड़ा सा ना, whatever tools you have, you can always go and Google it. People who are looking for जुगाड़, कि Lusha alternative,
Right.
and you will get a lot of Google ads at the top. वो सारे ad पे click करो, सबको enjoy करो.
Right.
You will get something like lead pyramid, rocket reach, a lot of things. So Google ads पे click करो, enjoy everything, and you'll have 200, 300 credits. And if we can't get a couple of clients from 200 credits, then I think we should just stop.
Perfect. और ये LinkedIn, I will tell you all to try this because see यहाँ पर कोई आपको चिंदी client नहीं मिलेगा. और clients are well educated from big companies. They will watch your portfolio, call you onto a Zoom call. अगर if they like your work and the way you talk over the call, you can close big clients with this particular method. But yeah, again, अपना profile you have to make it very clear, because ये email में भी इसका link जा रहा है. And again, yeah, if you are into LinkedIn Premium, LinkedIn का अगर premium है आपके पास, you can directly send them a message. LinkedIn Premium में there are some quota. Even if they have the logged message button, you can send them a message saying that I found you on LinkedIn and this was the particular uh, skill that you are looking for. वो हो जाएगा आपके लिए. That will also work. So, is there any other questions, or I should move ahead?
You can move ahead. I think there are a couple of things. There's another thing that I do on LinkedIn is, I mean, I recommend, at least I don't do it now, but just go to people, just go to jobs, because there are a lot of people are posting for jobs also, looking for a full time copywriter.
Yeah,
Keep
yeah, sir. This is also in my list. मतलब जो भी
okay.
मैं
I'm not.
करता हूँ, this is also in my list. See, already you can see मेरा already fix होके है इधर. Copywriter remote, digital marketing remote. ये सारा मेरा fix होके है already.
I know that you have 14 15 hacks with you, so I didn't know कि ये वाला भी उसमें है.
हाँ, this also works.
Intelligent people have got the hint. You can move on.
Yes. So basically, मैं एक one line में आपको बता देता हूँ. There are a lot of remote jobs that are being posted on LinkedIn. Simply go to them. Remote हो या फिर कुछ ऐसा job हो जिसको कि we can do remotely. Let's say it is copywriting. It can be done from anywhere from the world, right? So simply go and tell the prospect that if you are paying around $100,000 per year to a copywriter, I will take a fraction of that, and I can do that work from I can do that work for you from remote. Maybe you can pay me 50% of that. सिंपली ऐसे बहुत क्लाइंट क्लोज किया है, जो कि मैंने जितना भी मेंटरशिप लिया है उसमें मैंने भी क्लोज किया है, तीन चार अदर बंदों ने भी क्लोज किया मेरे सामने. दे जस्ट टेल दिस थिंग दैट आई विल डू दिस वर्क विद अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ व्हाट यू आर स्पेंडिंग राइट. उधर आपको मिल जाएगा कि हाउ मच इज देयर बजट पर ईयर. LinkedIn, maybe $50K, $100K. Just tell them that this is 50% off or 40% off for you. I will do it remotely. तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा easily. That is a great way. That is called LinkedIn job outreach. Okay, so
So there are two things, basically searching for the right things instead of just writing copywriting. You have to write recommendation jobs. So putting the right keywords everywhere, whether it's Upwork, whether it's LinkedIn or any other platform, that's the first thing. And second thing is the kind of emails that you send, right?
yes, and I will mention few points here before starting your cold emails. Domain email is always better than Gmail. Okay, so whenever you are sending out an email, try to send it from a domain email क्योंकि वो प्रोफेशनल फील होता है. Again, there are a lot of good qualities of domain email. उसमें आपको गूगल का अच्छा खासा स्पेस भी मिलता है so that you can store things and all. Then उसके बाद use a person's name. ऐसा आपको नहीं सेंड करना है कि support@abc.com, hello@abc.com. Always try to be uh, a person. Like मैं एक आदमी हूँ, एक आदमी से बात कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are from a support team or a service team. वैसा कुछ नहीं करना. You have to be, let's say your name is let's say Amar@abcd.com. So वहां पर the customer feels like I'm talking to someone. I'm not talking to a robot. I'm not uh, I'm not getting an email that is in a bulk list or something like that. So simply use your own name, जो कि real name. Then again, to find leads, you can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is paid. Business listings and Lead Gorilla. There is a tool called Lead Gorilla. You can also use that. Find that lead hunter. ये सारा you can use to get those emails and leads. Again, send emails to valid emails only. Okay. So whenever you are sending out emails, मैंने जैसे validate किया एक email. If that particular email is dead and it is not working anymore, and you are trying to send emails around maybe 20, 30, 50 emails to all those unverified emails. So what happen will, it will just make you a spam bot, or you can say that your particular email id will be noted or marked as a spam. So आप उसके बाद जो भी emails you will send, it will land on the उसको क्या बोलते हैं, maybe it will go to the trash or क्या, spam, yeah, it will go to the spam box. So basically, do not send to invalid emails, only send to valid. Then before sending, do some warm up. Warm up मतलब क्या होता है? Let's say आज ही आपने email ID create कर दिया, आज 50 email send करें, that is not going to work. You have a group of people, send them few hi hello emails और उसको warm करो. मतलब आपका जो IP है जिससे कि आप you are sending out emails, just make sure that you send few emails and people open them, read them and reply to you. ऐसा if you do 10 to 15 times, the particular IP will be warm, and whenever you will be sending more emails, it will land into the inbox. Again, don't try to sell anything. The main and the most important thing is Calendly, and we will only send people to this link. We will not tell anyone to send us money, or we will not tell them to buy any packages. आपको कोई package का कुछ भी बनाना नहीं है. There are a lot of people worrying about pricing and stuff. Just send them to this particular link. Okay, always focus on getting calls. Send emails to targeted people, not Tom, Dick, Harry or anyone. Okay, so ये हो गया cold email, हो गया आपका sorry, LinkedIn warm हो गया और Upwork warm हो गया. Then और एक करते हैं, we will do Groupon. Okay, we will do Groupon. और जो मैंने सर कल जो मैंने बुक किया था कॉल प्रोडक्ट हंट वाला, वो दिखाऊं?
Anything. Product Hunt also works. Product Hunt, I think people know SaaS में बहुत लोगों का interest है, so you can do that also.
Perfect.
Whatever public की demand जो भी हो. But sorry if
Okay.
it's asked below, but there's some question, Satyajit. Will there be a recording? Will I have it? I'll sell it at whatever price you can pay. Anyways,
Okay.
we'll get
We
it.
already have the recording for today.
Don't worry, I'm recording it. I'll give it to all the people who have attended.
Okay. So there are a lot of people who are interested in SaaS, like Amar sir told right now. और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि SaaS कंपनी को फंडिंग इजीली मिल जाता है. They get a lot of funding. So Product Hunt is a place where you find all the SaaS products normally that are getting a huge amount of funding. So मैं ये केस स्टडी के साथ बोलूंगा, which I did yesterday only. I have the screenshots with me. So normally when I get time, I just go to Product Hunt and watch what type of tools that are going famous in the market. ऐसे ही मुझे मिला था Find That Lead. Then okay, I was going through all these tools and I found a tool called something Savo Labs or something like that. So whenever you click on this, you can directly go to their website. So I didn't find their copy really good because it was not talking about uh, the benefit or whatever they are providing to the customer. ऐसा feel हो रहा था कि I'm on a website. I do not know what they are selling right now. So what I did is I tried to send them a message on Instagram. See, here is the message. Hi there, found your website on Product Hunt. Great landing page, I must say. The sales page is talking more about features, less about benefits for the customer. I can help you write persuasive, engaging, and fun to read copy. If that tickled your fancy, let's talk. Cheers. Bas utna hai. Let's talk. Then, just after few hours, I received a message from them. Hi Satyajit, it would be great if we can connect over a call or email to know more about your offerings. Regards, Sakshi Sen, then her name, number, email, whatever. Then sounds perfect. I will send you an email with all my detailed offerings and a link to book a discovery session call with me. Okay. So till now, I'm not trying to sell them anything, but I'm trying to tell them that yes, I can help you improve, and we can discuss it over a call. Okay. So again, after that, I sent them information. See, this was the email. I took around 45 minutes to sit down and write this because I knew that this is a big client, and if I get this, it will be a good achievement for me. Then regarding Instagram conversation, so this was the subject line, so that she can easily remember that we just had conversation over Instagram. Hi Saxi, I hope you and everyone at Sawa Labs are safe right now. Remember our RG chat conversation. This is regarding the same. So I'm trying to tell her that if you remember the conversation, this is regarding. Here is why. Here is what I offer to my clients. I help my clients generate more sales revenue with paid advertising and copywriting. I audit their funnels, optimize their landing pages, find the right target audience to promote their products and services. The paid methods include Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, and LinkedIn Ads to be precise. In the copywriting part, I take a dive into the customer's mind, try to figure out their dreams and pain points. I try to find out their tone, their voice, what they used to talk with the voice they used to talk to each other. Then I write copy using the same language so that the customer can relate to it. Now, here is what I offer in copywriting services: conversion rate optimization, landing page copy, sales page copy, email copy, promotional ads copy, social media post copy, brochure banner copy. Almost any type of copy that can generate a sale. So, again, here I'm trying to say that whatever copywriting services I will provide, it will generate you a sale. Okay, that's all, Saxi. In case you are willing to take this conversation further, you can book a call with me at your desired time. At your desired time. This is the main point. You tell your client that you can book a call with me at your desired time, not my desired time. Okay. With the discovery call, we can see if we are a good fit to each other, and so that we can decide whether we will work or not. So here is the link to book a call. She just clicked on the link. She booked a call with me. Her entire team was there yesterday. The owner of the company, the marketing head was there. This Sakshi Sen was there, and few other girls were there. Even one or two were in COVID positive stage. Still, they wanted to meet me only because of this email. They really loved this email, and we discussed about whatever situation that they are facing with their landing page or sales page right now. And yes, I have secured a decent amount, maybe around 1 to 1.5 lakh. I have already discussed the same with Amar sir. I have pitched them around 1.5 lakh for copywriting services, and they do not have any issue with that. uh, it's just that I have to show that what I can do for them and how it can generate more sales for them. So they do not have any issue with the budget and all. And I think this particular client will be closed maybe within few days, maybe 4 or 5 days. I mean 4 or 5 days. So so normally what I did is I will again do a recap. I found their website from Product Hunt. I went to their website. I tried to find their email, but I couldn't find the email. But what I did was I went to the bottom and I found their Instagram. Okay. So all these conversations started on Instagram, and whenever you talk on Instagram or maybe on Facebook, do not try to end it at that place. A lot of people are like DM में ही सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, इधर ही सेल हो जाएगा, मुझे पैसा मिल जाएगा. वैसा नहीं होता. You have to take step by step. I simply told them that let's talk over. They told me that this is my email or something like that. Then again, I sent them a brief email. Then again, we entered into a call. Then again, till now, I have not pitched them in anything, but I have given them a brief idea that it will cost you around 1.5 lakh. So that they will be aware that this guy will charge this much of amount. If they do not have that capacity, they will simply tell you no. But right now they are okay with the budget, so that I will simply go ahead and close the deal. So this happened yesterday. So you guys can use this technique. There are a lot of other techniques that than product hunt. You have Groupon, where a lot of businesses are trying to promote themselves. I will just show you that Groupon. Okay, simply put any location you would like to work with. Let's say Chicago. Just click on search. The similar way, the way I used product hunt, the same way I will use Groupon. बस आपको ये ख्याल रखना है कि थोड़ा अच्छा कंपनी होना चाहिए. Do not send email to everyone. Okay. Hmm, okay. Hmm, okay. So there is a massage bar over here, and again, yeah, let's say heavenly massage. I will click on it. Sorry. So you can see they have around 10,000 reviews. That means they are on Groupon since a long time, and they are spending money, because if you go and check the policies of Groupon, they charge around 60% of what their customers are getting. Like if they are booking a client through Groupon and they are paying around $80, the client is paying around $80, they have to pay around $40 to $50 to Groupon. Okay, so the conversion price is around $40 to $50. So in that case, what I do is I try to connect with this company using their email or something like that. So how do you find their email? Simply go down. You will find the website. Sorry, because it is a policy of Groupon that you have to put the location, the phone number, opening hours, and website. Simply click on the website, and again all the tools I told, they will do the magic, and you will get their email ID. 1 second. Make sure the website is 100% loaded. Just click on find that lead, or maybe Hunter, or maybe whatever tool you are using. So yeah, we have their email. Yeah, this particular is showing me green and correct. This is in the orange zone, so I will not use this one. I will use this one. Okay, simply copy the email. Paste the email, then start writing the mail. As you can see, they are promoting on Groupon. So this is their business name. Sometimes I use subject lines like this: more revenue for business name, or more leads for business name, or leads at a lesser cost than Groupon. So this is basically a benefit for them, right? So try to add a benefit on the subject line, or you can see you can write like more leads and more leads and revenue, or more customers for revenue massage. So normally this is what I do. Then I again start writing that I found your website on Groupon, and as I saw your pricing, which is around $80, and I know that you are paying a 50 to 60% cut to Groupon. Why not generate leads on your own using Facebook or Google Ads? Because there will be no middleman company in between you and your customers, and you can easily get uh, you can easily maximize your revenue, so that people will come directly to you without using any third-party website like Groupon. So this also works, and you will get amazing replies. Just tell them if you are free this week or the next week, we can hang around on Zoom call and we will discuss whether we both can work with each other, whether we are the best fit or not. But never tell them that uh, I'm dying for your project, I'm dying to get this work or something like that. Just tell them that if everything goes well, if we are a good fit for each other, we will simply go ahead and work with each other for the win-win situation for both. Then again, they will ask you for pricing and everything. Just quote the pricing. And another pro tip that I will give you in the pricing part. Never ever design any pricing or never ever have any packages. Like some people have packages of 30K, 50K, and 100K, maybe in INR. Then whenever you show such packages to a customer, they will always go with the lower one. So never tell the package to the customer. Simply try to understand what they are willing to do and how much it will cost you. Okay, let's assume these people are willing to get Facebook ads, or you can help them doing Facebook ads and few ad copywriting so that they will be getting some leads for people who are willing to do massage. Okay, right now they are promoting a offer which is around 25 normal days, and right now they are giving it away at 74. So this can be your offer: 60-minute Swedish deep tissue massage. This will be offer around 40% off and everything. And you try to help them with Facebook ads. Now again, calculate all your expenses, then try to add 50% or 60% of profit, then quote them. And again, if you are willing to outsource everything, then you have to keep a bigger profit margin because there is somebody that is going to deliver the service. So, say you have to do the pricing part. Never try to send them a three phase or three ABC or gold, silver, diamond. वो सब काम नहीं करता. Always the customer go with the uh, lower part. So always try to calculate everything, then decide what kind of price point you are going to work with. Say you can close bigger deals rather sending them silver, gold, diamond. So I think that's it from my side today. Someone is asking, they must also ask for work proof as well. See, yeah, uh, mm, if you already have uh, if you already have some work proof with you, like your portfolio or something like that, you can easily go ahead and send it to them. And now आज ही अंबर सर ने मुझे पूछा था कि you are approaching big clients, aren't they asking you work proof? See, for that I also have a pro hack. I have started copywriting maybe since 1 or 2 months. I already have a copywriting portfolio with me. मुझे जहाँ जब अच्छा लगता है या फिर whenever I feel comfortable to write, I write. See, I have video scripts, social media posts, sales copy, LinkedIn posts, Facebook ad copy, Google ad copy, brochure copy, headlines, landing page copy, email copy. I have everything, but I have started in only in 1 2 months. So whatever you are writing, you just add it into your portfolio, right? Or maybe whatever work you have done for others, you can also show them work that you have done for yourself. That is also work, right? So here I have added all the work that I have done so far and all the work that I have been doing for clients. And again, if you are totally confused that I do not have anything, what should I do? Simply go ahead, find few dummy clients or find few clients. Let's say it can be your friend. Tell them that I can do this for you for free. But what I will do is I will add this to my portfolio, and you just give me a video testimonial saying that this guy did a wonderful job, and I think you should give a lot of copywriting or video editing or graphic designing, whatever job you are doing. So this is how we do it.
Shatrujit, I think I have a better idea about this. What I'll do is I'll just go to Heavenly Massage Chicago, search for them in Google, and you'll find their website. The moment you go to their website, a pop-up will come which actually prompts people to sign up for their email so that they can keep getting good deals. So what I'll tell these guys is, if I don't have a portfolio, okay, let me write a nice, promo message for your email list, and based on your conversion, you can judge me, how good I am or how bad I am.
Yes, 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 absolutely. अगर अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में कुछ भी उनको थोड़ा ऑफर कर देंगे ना, so I can do this for you for free. If you are interested, then I will take the entire part.
So all I'm saying is, don't go to your friends and these people. Just talk to these clients. You can always find something small that you can, basically foot in the door strategies ko bola jata hai. And this is known since probably 100 years, right? So you got your foot in the door by writing an email. If the email converts, trust me, they're going to give you everything. Their entire website. They will start trusting you basically with whatever you say, and
Yes, absolutely.
start building from portfolio. Don't have to go to your friends and ask them, yeah, like video bana de.
Right. And some people are actually helping businesses for free. Let's say आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, portfolio zero है. And again, there is another hack which I used for a campaign. I'm telling you. Normally, there was a client from Israel, and he was asking me for uh, मोबाइल ऐप डाउनलोड कैंपेन, एक ऐसा कैंपेन जिसमें कि दे वांटेड 500,000 पीपल टू डाउनलोड देयर मोबाइल ऐप, पर मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में कि आई कैन शो यू दैट आई हैव डिड मोबाइल ऐप कैंपेन ऑन फेसबुक एंड दैट हैज जनरेटेड डाउनलोड्स. तो उनका ये पर्टिकुलर उनका था, मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट था कि यू हैव टू शो मी दैट यू हैव डन फेसबुक एड्स फॉर अ कंपनी that has generated them at least around 10K downloads. So what I did was I simply went to Upwork, created a profile जहाँ की मैं बन गया खुद एक कंपनी. Then I started posting कि I need someone with these criteria. तो मुझे इतना पोर्टफोलियो उधर से मिल गया कि you can't imagine. And again, simply I told that guy कि see, I have an agency. मैं तेरा जो ये दिया है तुमने मुझे अपना काम या पोर्टफोलियो, आई विल एड इट टू माई पोर्टफोलियो. अगर ये काम मुझे मिल जाता है तो आई कैन शेयर सम प्रॉफिट. नो वन विल टेल यू कि नहीं आप ये पोर्टफोलियो मुझसे नहीं लेके जाओ, हर कोई काम चाहता है. सो दे विल टेल दैट या वी कैन वर्क टुगेदर, यू कैन यूज माय वर्क और यू कैन लेवरेज विथ माय पोर्टफोलियो, ऐसा भी यू कैन डू. So if you are an agency, you can simply outsource ना, तो outsourcing तो allowed है. So we can simply hire somebody, hire their portfolio and tell them that हाँ अगर ये काम आता है तो we both will work on this particular project. मैं थोड़ा research कर दूंगा, ये थोड़ा तुम थोड़ा copywriting करना. We both can work on this project. We will split the entire amount that will come to us. ठीक है. तो client को हाथ से जाने देना नहीं चाहिए. You have to find some way. If they bypass us to the client, ऐसा कैसे होगा? See, how do they know that which client is asking you for what kind of deals or what kind of requirements? You can simply tell them that you are an agency. I have a client that is looking for a copywriter, and they are looking for people who have done copywriting with e-commerce. So if you already have that particular thing in your portfolio, just send it to me. I will do it white label and I will remove your branding. I will send it to the client. If the client approves, then we both are going to work on that same project. That's it. And yes, once you get that project, वो जिसका भी आपने leverage लिया था portfolio, just share that work with them. Be honest with the client, with the freelancer, because I directly tell the client that this is not my work. This is one of my teammates' work. That's it.
Great. Any other question, guys? Because I'll have to break out. I've got another commitment at 9. If you
Yeah,
have,
sure, sure. If you guys have any questions, just write it down. I will answer them and we will
I think he's
just
already told a
move.
lot of things. The only thing I would like to maybe add to all this is why copywriting is, because in copywriting you understand what he wants. It's not about you, it's about him. How he can understand, how you can take him to a emotionally high level. Like I'll just show you something. मेरा एक अभी somebody My screen is visible.
Let me stop my share. Yeah, I've stopped my screen share.
My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay. So, this is something I was just seeing. One of the guys in our group, he has recently joined a couple of days back. So he sent me, I sent this on LinkedIn. Hi, I'm reaching out to you because we are receiving a lot of call and requests for solar, but we, no, 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 no. I will show you his exact copy. कहाँ गया, कहाँ गया? एक और है. Yeah. See, this is the mail he's sending. Hi, Jason. Quick context, came across your job posting for lead specialist here. Since I already do a ton of lead generation for solar installation companies like yours in US, so thought of hiring you up for a short. So he's trying to say is, he has got a lot of experience with this. But the problem is, the other person who reads it, she thinks like, एक तो पहले lead word use नहीं करना चाहिए. You should always use something like prospect. Lead is something, which people think that it goes to a lot of people. Then the moment you say that I do it already for a lot of solar installation, he thinks, why me? I'm probably also going to get one of these leads which other people are going to get, right? So instead of this, just change your things to, like, something like this. I will start with, I have some fresh qualified prospects for solar power installation and thought you can help them with your good service. The moment he reads like, yeah, I have a good service, and he feels nice about it. Plus, what if you don't have to worry about websites, marketing copy, running ads, doing SEO? Zero activity for generating leads, never for years to come. You might be thinking, sounds great, but how? Let me explain. I'm into the business of lead generation for the last 3 years, and I've rented my lead sites in the past to several businesses like yours. My proposal: you focus on your primary business and let me generate as many leads as you want whenever you want. Sounds like good proposal. Why not set up a quick, no obligation 20-minute Zoom call, right? And discuss. And if you can find out something, about that guy because you already have his name, maybe he got, you got him on LinkedIn. Try to find something that he, really loves. Add that in PS. This will make sure that he replies to you, because the principle of affinity works. If you find a common ground, maybe it's the same book that you like. It's something same, or if you can find things like that, just add it in PS and you'll definitely get. So he's already high with this, like, I don't have to bother about all this, and then this will work. Make him all about you. You might be thinking, you focus on this. So use a lot of you don't have to worry, not I. That's it. So it's all about, the kind of emails. I mean, this is just the draft that I'm going to send him. I will obviously edit it and make it better, but that's the point I wanted to make. That's it from me. So great, Shatrujit. Thank you so much for sharing. What your great tips. All the intelligent people should definitely get a lot of
yeah,
idea. And
yeah,
and guys, he has a lot of other unique ways through which he approaches all these clients. And I was just discussing here, with him all this since past few days, and we keep interacting about few things. Like I keep asking, how are you taking care of your portfolio, because you're going to pitch 1.5 lakhs is something which we mutually decide, and do all that stuff. So usi se ye hai कि, why not, it's a very very big world. I think I don't know why people uh, can't find clients. It's probably somebody is getting these clients, somebody is working with these clients. We are working, we don't have any problem of client going and this and that. So I thought, why not share all these things with other people, and make everyone happy who are connected with us. So that's the reason he has come up with a 3-day live course also, where he's going to teach all his methods. He's going to share all his emails, scripts, whatever he's working on currently. Also, like he just showed you what he did in last 2 days. And how exactly we decided to pitch 1.25 lakhs for for some services. Questions like Money Manan had. how do you price, whether it's one time and things like that. So he's going to do everything in detail. If anybody is interested, can join him. It's a 3-day live program, and he has charged it, I think, it's a very, very nominal price that he's asking for, because one client, and what you can do with them. So if anyone is interested, just let me know. I'll send you the link also to join the program. Even if you don't join, no problems. I am sure that you have learned a lot of things today. Start applying them, and I'm sure you can make some money, get some clients, and then probably come back and join him whenever you are ready. Basically, whenever you're ready, you think you can handle more clients, get in touch, and we'll help you. We'll help you with some copywriting stuff. We'll help you with getting clients. But yeah, we'll charge a very, very minimal price, not much. Yeah, Satyajit. So when is it starting? This Monday, right?
Yeah, it's starting on 3rd May this month. I
Great.
mean,
You already have some 3-4 people, right?
yeah, yes, yes.
Don't get too many people, so that you can personalize it, right? You can help
Yeah,
actually
yes.
individuals, so don't get too many people. That's what
Yeah, here somebody has asked, Pawan has asked that is the agency need to be registered? Yeah, see, in the first phase, maybe when you are having 2 3 clients, तब ये चलता है. But when you have money, when you have when you have an office, when you have a team, then there is no issue registering, right? So you can get yourself registered.
it again depends. If you are actually approaching as a freelancer, somebody is open to work with a freelancer, they understand all this. It all depends.
Yeah. And again, one thing that I have learned from all this is client is the fuel. And again, writing will help you to go anywhere, because see, I was a person who was avoiding to write. Like, I hated writing. I used to outsource everything. Like, I already have one VA place for doing all this prospecting stuff for me. But when it comes to writing, I checked her work recently. When she was sending mails and proposals, we were not getting any replies. But then, at that place, at that particular moment, I decided to take a copywriting course, and I brushed up my skills in writing. And right now, I'm getting a lot of replies. So I would also suggest you to sharpen up your writing skills, so that writing and speaking, these two things will help you get a lot of clients, and maximum the bigger clients, जिसको शार्क या वेल client बोलते हैं, you will get those people with your writing skills. Because एक भी गड़बड़ हो गया ना, they will simply tell you that you can't write a proposal. How will you manage this particular project? So writing matters.
Chalo, great. Thank you, Satyajit. Thank you, everybody. I'll just end this call now. Yeah, if you have any questions, just get in touch with him. He's available on Facebook and Calendly and
Yeah,
LinkedIn.
everywhere you guys can reach out to me, and we can talk about your questions. And okay,
Right?
so thank you for having me, sir. It was a great experience. Thank you, everyone.
Awesome, great. Balkaran will soon. Yeah, I'm connecting with you. That's a paid one, right? Not for everybody. So let's connect sometime.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Bye bye. Good night.